Hello guys, today I will ask you, I will give you some example, basic and advanced vocabulary. I know that if you are a learner, if you have eager to improve your communication skill, then I believe that one day you will have to face, that you will be able to talk with the real people. It's true that it's a reality of the language. So why not I will tell you some advanced vocabulary, and do you know that you will find different types of people who has different level in English, that basic to advanced. So you need, what you need to do, you need to know. So after that in the future you will not have faced difficulties. Okay, let's initiate. When you said use, utilize, problem, issue, improve, enhance. It's okay, no worries. Buy, purchase, check, verify, fix, repair, and the last is that think, consider. I think it's enough for it today's. And I will tell you something. It's really work. And when you talk with the real people, na, at that time you will realize that people are definitely people use that. So keep it up. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos. So thank you.